DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a DIY sea glass wind chime. And we're putting it together with E6000 Plus, the new E6000 glue from Eclectic Products. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a wind chime. Make sure to check out eclecticproducts.com to see all of their amazing adhesives. And don't forget to look below to see a link to all of the products we use for this project. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.